Tell him, Teddy. Teddy.
Get him, Cash. Get him, Cash.
I ain't going near him now, Cash.
What are you doing? Look at Cash. Uh-oh, here goes. Cash is too scared of Teddy.
Go get him.
He thinks he's big and bad, though.
He ran into the fence.
They're just playing. No, he's gonna hurt him.
Teddy.
He ran into the fence.
You trying to aggravate Cash? Teddy.
Dude.
Daddy's trying to Get him!
Oh, shut up.
Go get him. You better.
Uh-oh. Teddy.
Teddy.
He won't play with you, will he? Look at these three up
Did you
here.
get Cash running into the fence?
I
I don't think so, boy. I don't think so, boy.
I think so.
Teddy, I don't think he'll let you near him anymore.
Shake and make likes this thing now.
Yeah. You're not going to eat my shoes. Shake! Shakers!
That was just funny. Cash
Get him,
running
Daddy.
right into the fence.
Get him. Get him. Get him, Cash.
Teddy's been playful since it's cooled off.
Go get him, Cash.
Teddy.
Emmett, stop.
Teddy, go play. Tell him to play with you.
Shake, you need to play.
Shake's like me. He's too fat and lazy.
Oh, no.
Chase him, Shake.
Poor Teddy. Poor Teddy. Nobody will play with him. He's...
Chase him, Teddy. Chase him.
Get him, Cash. Go get him. Get him, Cash. Get him, Cash. Go get him, Cash. Get him. Teddy, he's talking to you. Go on, Cash. Get him.
I'm coming down from
He wants to eat my shoe. Can't eat my shoe.
Go get him. Come on. Get him. Come here.
Yep, he's gotta go potty. Yep. Don't scare him. Tell him, Teddy. Tell him, Teddy. Say, be nice.
He just jumped down there before, I'm pretty sure. Or it was over there.
Yeah, he'll jump down by himself.
Like, he didn't even use the steps. He just jumped straight on.
See, he's whoa, boy. He's been excited that it's been cooler.
He's pooping.
Well, thank you for telling me his pooping.
He just pooped across the